Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Ever wonder what happens to our natural rubber gloves after they're made? Well, today you're in for a treat. I'm taking you on an exclusive 3-minute behind-the-scenes tour to show you exactly how we get these gloves from the production line right into your hands. Let's get started. The gloves had finished dipping, drying, leaching, and stripping. This part is the drying and dehydration step after chlorination treatment. Our dedicated team gets to work, carefully separating them. It's a crucial first step to ensure everything is organized for the next stage. It looks like a sea of gloves, right? It's amazing to see the sheer volume we handle every single day. The team here is incredibly fast and efficient, making sure every single glove is accounted for. Next, and this is probably the most important part, is our quality control station. We look for any imperfections, no matter how small. We also conduct air inflation tests to check for pinholes and ensure the integrity of every glove. Only the best of the best make it through. This commitment to quality is what sets us apart and ensures you get a product you can trust. Finally, the gloves that pass inspection move on to packaging. Here, they are carefully counted, folded, and placed into their boxes. From single boxes to large cartons ready for shipping, everything is prepared for distribution. Seeing these pallets stacked high, ready to be sent out worldwide, is always a satisfying sight. And that's a wrap on our quick tour. From sorting and meticulous quality checks to final packaging, a lot of care and hard work goes into every single pair of gloves. We hope you enjoyed this peek behind the curtain. If you found this interesting, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.